I ordered some. This week we did a test to see if the little adapter would break, and because last week we got a brand new one and it broke first day I used it. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up this package here from Amazon that I bought. So let's do that. Okay, so what I've done is I bought a USB-C male to female cable that would run from outside or from inside to outside. And same with the RCA cable for the audio. So hopefully it's gonna be long enough. So let's open it up. So this is the RCA cable. I put 2 wire wraps in. Okay. So this plugs into my mixer. Okay, here's the USB-C cable here. So I plug this into the adapter, and this goes to the phone for outside. So both of these are 15 foot, so you can go all the way outside safely. That's what I bought. Okay, Amazon.